Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan.
And Darius.
And we are the PGH Poke Bros. Today we are cracking open a Paldea Evolved Booster Box that I'm going to open up right now. Hope everyone has had a good weekend. Time's flying by. Unfortunately, this is my last day of vacation, so I'll be back at work tomorrow. Not looking forward to it, but what can you do? So yeah, I'm going to jump into this Paldea Evolved Booster Box here. Darius and myself. Actually did open up a few Obsidian Flames packs. Not many. I think like a 3-pack blister. And I did one for like a reel that I have not put up yet, so I will do that soon. So keep an eye out for that. See if we can get some decent hits. And nothing. So starting off. Yeah, so I'm excited to actually open up some Obsidian Flames. I did order a booster box of Obsidian Flames, so hopefully that comes this week. Then open that up next week. So we'll see what's up. Try and go on a hunt for some Charizards. What do we got? Okay. Boss's order, so nothing too crazy so far. Looking for a Magic Carp. Going for like 40 bucks, so that's a card, and I think Iono as well. Full art trainer. Okay, I'll take it. Wigglytuff. Code card. Sleeve this up. Finally bought some new sleeves as well, so hopefully I don't run out in this video. I'll open up like one more pack and I'll let you jump in it, Darius. If I can get this sleeve going. I can't. I'll get it in a second. Alright, one more pack. I'll let Darius jump in here. Getting distracted. Alright, it takes one pack. Always chasing that big hit. Excited to have Darius over here.
Excited to be here.
Cracking open some packs. Great Ball, Litleo, and an Orth. So have Darius sit down and open up some packs. Hopefully he can bring some luck. I'm not sure. Of course, I left the booklet upstairs as well, so I don't even know what we're looking for.
I'm looking for greatness.
Looking for anything right now. Of course, it's not like Obsidian Flame, just looking for Charizards.
And Pikachu. Ooh, okay, nice.
So close.
Mm-hmm.
See, Iono, the secret. It's like a hyper rare or whatever.
I don't
That's
know.
worth money. Might as well see that one up.
Oh, yes, for sure.
It's worth a couple bucks.
So, talk skirt. Cool. Cool. Nice. Okay, boss's orders again. Can you get boss's orders?
Yeah, hold on too. Using the blade.
Yes.
You gotta get your pack fingers up.
That's okay. The blade's efficient enough. Think. Raichu. Okay.
Come on, get that big hit.
Sneasel and a Gyarados.
So far, you pulled a better hit.
Okay. Gyarados. Okay, I'm gonna do one more and I'm gonna let Ryan take over again.
Yeah, so far, I pulled that pretty nice Iono. It's nice, no pack trick on these new sets, so.
Okay, jump fluff. Okay, let Ryan take over. Well, I kind of
It's all good.
messed those up. There we go.
This is gonna
There you go.
Is it on the screen?
There you go. Let Ryan take back over. My fault.
Just get excited. It's always fun cracking open a booster box.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, see what we got. Keep it rolling. So far, 2 hits. Can we do any better? Oh man. Definitely can.
For sure.
I think there's some decent hits left in this box, so let's see what we got.
Just say it all takes 1 pack. As a kid. Okay, nice.
Alright, definitely see what else we got here. Definitely another Iona would be pretty legit. Magic Carp would be pretty sick. Porta Tyranitar. So Talonflame. What we got? Love Disc, okay. Fortress. Nothing too crazy. Come on, there's gotta be something. Got this booster box from Steel City Collectibles, so see what they got. Ordered another one, as well as the Obsidian Flame off of TCG Player, so see what those have. Just waiting on those to be delivered. Definitely having fun opening up Scarlet and Violet, especially Paldea Evolved. And then, of course, Scarlet and Violet 151 is going to be released September 22nd. I'll let Darius jump in and open up some packs. So yeah, with Scarlet and Violet 151 being released, that is just going to be chaos. Open up as much of that as possible. So that'll be here before we know it. Time is just flying by. Come on, Darius. I know you got the luck.
You never know. Okay. Ooh, okay. Nice, nice.
Decent hit, decent hit. Do think I had that card, but oh well. Always nice to have another one of the collection. You still pull something good. I believe it can happen.
Anything's possible.
See, it only takes 1 pack. Always chasing that big hit too. Okay,
Exactly. Nice.
Okay,
ooh, okay.
There are hits, I'll take it. Look at you pulling all the hits right now. See what we have probably on Wednesday. Crack open up one of those collector chests that everyone's talking about.
There goes your iron.
Right.
Okay, Tyranitar.
Right.
Cool.
See if we have any luck with a Silver Tempest pack. Wouldn't that be crazy? You don't want to open up a couple more?
Go ahead, do it now. We got like 4. Just switching it back, keeping it rolling.
I'm not mad at you, bro. Definitely want to crack open some packs, man.
Exactly.
See, I'm definitely going to start opening up some Obsidian Flame. That would be cool if we pulled the Secret Rare Charizard from like an ETB or something. Okay. Come on. Definitely grab the 3-pack blister as well. Opening up a lot of Paldea Evolved. Not a lot of not 151, just Scarlet and Violet base. I think 1 or 2 booster boxes of that. Nothing too crazy. Man, I'm not getting none of the hits, bro. Darius has all the luck in this video.
You're funny.
You do, bro. Got all the solid hits for sure. Definitely a couple more hits.
It's gotta be.
Definitely a couple more. Come on. Oh, man. Striking out right now. What the heck?
You got it. Going full force.
I'll get one more, then I'll let you crack some more open. Crazy. Come on, here we go. Pull something. Okay, there we go. I will take it.
For sure.
Don't have this card, so I'm excited to add it to the collection. Sure got more top loaders as well. Let Darius jump in and open up some packs now. Let's sleeve this up. Very nice, I'll take it.
Such interesting designs on this. Okay, cool. Get some Pokemans.
Let's get more luck. Darius bringing more luck right now. Finally getting his card sleeved up.
Okay, slacking. This is what we're doing right now, slacking. They can't all be hits, but you know, it's nice when there's quite a few.
You never know. Getting some decent hits for sure.
For sure.
Definitely be one more.
Sparse. Spirit Bomb. Okay, I'm gonna do this some more, and I'm gonna let Ryan take back over again. It's Viper, essentially. Okay, save that. Here we go.
Alright. See what we got.
Hot fire.
Definitely a bunch of packs
fire.
left, so.
Coming your way, hot fire.
There we go. What do we got here? There goes a Magic Carp. Household. Ball of Snow into Jump Pluff. Alright, come on. Where's it at? Where's it at? Get that solid hit right here. Take it tough. Oh man. Woo!
Getting there.
Alright. Definitely cruising through this box. Some decent hits. I'm just looking at them all. Can always come down to that last pack.
For sure.
There we go. And focus, just breezing through these packs. Probably all out of focus. Okay, there we go.
Nice.
Ting Lu, I think I have 2 of these. Not mad about it. Open up one more pack, then I'll let Darius open up a few. Thank you all for checking out this video. I said I hope you all had a great weekend. It's going to be a great week. Hope everyone is having some Charizard luck in their Obsidian Flames packs that they're cracking open. Hope everyone gets all the hits. Alright, let Darius jump in, open up some packs.
It's an Evolved Magikarp.
Right.
Not the Magikarp you're looking for, though, but you know.
It's not the one. Close, but not the one.
It might be the one. Okay. That basic energy going.
Alright. Definitely breezing through this box. Fun times. Like I said, hopefully next week will be Obsidian Flames.
Go. Oh, okay. That's pretty decent. Cool.
See what this collector's chest has. Probably nothing.
You never
Just
know.
got duped into going and buying one, you know. You never know, though. So it's worth a shot.
It's wild. Tinker time. Okay. Alright, this is the last I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let Ryan close it all out. Could this be the one?
Could be. Definitely organize some of these cards. It's recycle tonight. Sure to always recycle all your cardboard.
Ooh, Pikachu.
Okay.
Pretty decent. Okay. Okay, let Ryan close this out.
Alright,
Get that
let's
hot
see.
fire coming away with the Magikarp.
Let's see what we can end on right here. How many packs we have left? It's like 5 packs.
Magikarp card.
So it only takes 1 pack. I'm definitely going to pull some big hits. Especially going all throughout the box, so. Come on, we got Dunsparce. Alright, coming down to the wire right here. Can we get anything better?
Just grab a sleeve, just get it ready.
Alright.
There you go.
Made sure that I bought some more today since I was running out for sure. Mankey. Alright. Oh man, the final 3. Like I said, appreciate all of you stopping and checking out this video. The subscribers just keeps going up. Never thought in a million years be over 200 subscribers. Greatly appreciate it. Cannot thank you all enough for all the support everyone is checking out. Even if it's just to come get the code cards. I hope you get some cool hits. Slacking. Especially now with my bro back. Doing some videos with him. Definitely cracked some packs open. He was the one. Darius got all the big hits tonight. Never know. Could come down to the final pack for me. It was still fun regardless.
Oh, for sure.
Uh-oh, what do we got here? Another Pikachu. Okay. Code card in the last pack. Thank you all for sticking it out with us. Checking out this video. Nice Paldea Evolved Booster Box. Hopefully next week will be Obsidian Flames Booster Box. Then just daily reels and whatnot. So be sure to check it out. Turn on notifications. Head over to Instagram, PGH Poke Bros. Okay, Sprigatito.
Nice.
Not a terrible end to it, so I'll take a hit that close to a Magikarp. But like I said, be sure to turn on notifications, comment, check out the reels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Darius.
We're the PGH Poke Bros. Hope everyone has a great week, and we will see you on Wednesday.